Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.
Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Code and Chunks. So today we will see how we can handle or how we can create our custom exception. What is exception and how we can handle that? We have already seen that. If you have not watched that video, so watch that firstly, then you will understand what is exception and how we can handle that, what is try, except, another thing. So today our focus is on like how we can create our own exception. So suppose I have a class that is not or invalid age. Okay, I will show you a normal easy example. I will inherit the exception because the exception class will be a parent class. Now in the constructor, what I will see, I will print a message, or what I can do, I can call super dot init your age is not valid. Okay, now I will create a method diff. This is not a class method. I will create a normal method. Check age. I will receive a parameter that is age. If the age is less than 18, I will raise a error. The error will be invalid age. Now if I have raised that, or else you can vote. If I am raising the error here, so I need to handle that with the try. Now, I will give try and I will give accept. And in the accept, what I will handle? I will handle invalid age. Okay. Now what I will print? I will print as suppose E, and I will print E here. Now just run that and call check age with the 19. You can vote. So something issue here, but receive a string. Descriptor requires a super object, but receive a string. Okay, so super method, and this thing will work. Okay, so what is super? So super method will call the parent class constructor. So parent class will be exception. Okay, so I am passing that message into parent class exception init. Okay, so this is if, and this is a method in which I am taking a parameter age. If the age is less than 18, so I will raise that error. Okay, and I will print else, if age is greater than 18 or 18. So what I will do, I will print this message. I have handled that. This is invalid age as E, and I have printed that. So this is how you can handle the error. Now what I will do, I will create one more class. I will show you. no balance. Exception, diff, init, underscore underscore, self, super, dot, underscore underscore init, underscore underscore. Like balance is not valid, or you have insufficient balance. Now what I will do, I will create a class that is bank or account. Okay, in the account, what you need to do, in the account we have a constructor self and amount. Withdraw amount in the, if the, or I can say that this is a W amount, withdraw amount. If the amount or withdraw amount is greater than amount. What I will do, I will raise error that will be no balance. Okay. Now else what I will do, from the amount okay. Now this I will do try, and here I will put that inside the try. I will raise a error. What is that error? Oh, sorry, accept the error. In the accept error, what I will handle no balance as NB. Print NB. Okay, so this thing I think we can do. Oh, so the insufficient spelling is wrong. Insufficient. Okay, so I will compile that. Now, suppose I am opening account A1. Account, the initial balance is 5,000. Okay, the initial balance is 5,000. I will run that. Okay, this runs successfully. withdraw amount, that will be 10,000. Okay. You have insufficient balance. If the amount is 1,000, then, and I can show here a message also else, print current balance is self dot amount. Run that again. Run this one also. Okay, 1,000 self, what is here? Okay, the amount is integer, so we can convert that into a string. I didn't close that. Now, if you will run that, current balance is 4,000. If I will withdraw, $3,000, current balance is 1,000, and now I will withdraw 2,000. You have insufficient balance. So we got error, I know that, but by the error, if you are also get the same, so you can understand, like I was getting this issue and you are getting the same issue, so you can solve that. And by getting the errors, we can learn. Okay, here like I have passed the integer. Why? Because here I am passing the number only, so this variable automatically it's created as an integer. Okay, and now what was I was doing, I was concatenating the string with the integer, so that is not possible, so I have put the str here. So by the error we can learn, okay, there is no issue. Okay, so we have did a small program here to withdraw the money, and you can even submit the money also. You can create one more class, like you cannot submit more than 10,000. Okay, so you can handle that. This you can do as a homework. So that's it. Like how we can create exception, you need to like inherit the exception class in the constructor. You need to write that, like you need to pass the message if you want to pass. Okay, so you need to pass that as a super. Now the error raise, how you can raise that, so this, like by the raise keyword I can raise that exception. And even this is a child class of exception, so directly I can handle by this also. Okay, because as you know it's a child class. Okay, so run that and run that, and now this one and this one. Okay, so it's work same. Okay, so even you can write the parent and you can write like child here, but I will recommend you to handle that by the child. The reason maybe like we will see later, but you always need to give the